$50. Oh, thank you for another 50. Oh, and another 50. Wait a minute, there's another 50. Oh, what's up, fam? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to make $50 again and again and again and again via PayPal? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how. So stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $50 over and over and over and over again via PayPal. Now, if you're new to my channel, I make videos that will help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please give me a like if you like what I'm talking about today, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped. Now, please watch this video to the very end because I have a special offer that I'm giving away to you guys. So please watch this video to the very end. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you the method that will bring you $50 again and again and again and again.
All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called Remote Tasks. And it says here, make money doing tasks and how it works. Tag images, transcribe audio, moderate content. We have many interesting tasks for you to do. English fluency is the only requirement. Now, here's the steps. You sign up. Just connect to Facebook. So you got to have a Facebook account. You take exams. And from my knowledge, the exams are real easy to take and pass. Then you do tasks in categories you've unlocked, and then you get paid weekly via PayPal. And here are some of the tasks you're going to be doing. Drawing boxes around cars, moderating content, identifying spam, and categorizing t-shirts. And it says here who provide the tasks. Multiple companies from small startups to public companies, self-driving car companies, and t-shirt startups. All right, here's some of the pictures of the tasks. As you can see right here, drawing a box around a car. And here's the categorizing. And here's image transcription. And you got comparison. So I guess you're going to be comparing where it says here, draw bounding boxes around various objects to help determine what's where. And here's the audio transcription. And here's data collection. All right, there's some of the testimonies from people. So, you can read that once you go on the site. And let's look at some of the frequently asked questions. Said, do I have to work a minimum number of hours to get paid out, to get a payout? There's no minimum to get paid there's no minimum. You get paid each week. So let's scroll down here and find out what you guys really want to know. All right, this is very important. You probably want to know this. How much is the pay? It ultimately depends on your speed and accuracy. However, if you're working 20 hours per week, you can make between $35 and $50, while taskers who work 40 hours can take home in between $60 to $100 per week. So if you work 20 hours or per week, you'll get up to $50 over and over again. And if you work 40 hours, you can get 100 over and over again each week. So if you want to learn more about this, go to readmoretask.com.
So now you know the website you can go to right now that will help you start making $50 over and over and over again just by doing simple little tasks. So go ahead and sign up and start breaking in that money. Now, that's all I have for today. And for you guys that watched this video to this point, I'm going to go ahead and tell you about the free offer that I have to give away today. Now, do you want to grow your YouTube, get more views, and get more subscribers to your channel? Well, I have the tool just for you. All you have to do is click on the link below. Just click on the link just click down there where it says the tool I recommend to grow your YouTube channel. So go ahead and click on that. It's yours for free to use to help your channel grow, get more views, and get more subscribers. Now, you're probably wondering about this message I have at the bottom of the screen. Yes, I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I need you guys' help. And I'm going to give away free money once I make it to that point. But I'm also going to give away free money every milestone I hit. My next milestone I'm trying to hit right now is 300 subscribers. I'm currently at 242, so I don't have that far to go. So once I get 300 subscribers, I'm going to reward one person $20 cash or $20 Amazon gift card. It's going to be your choice. And how I'm going to do that is just randomly pick a comment in this video and all the videos leading up to me receiving 300 subscribers. So I'm going to randomly pick that comment and reward that person with the $20 cash or the Amazon gift card. So please just drop a comment today and subscribe to this channel. Now, I'm done. That's it. I'm finished. And before I go, if you like what I'm talking about today, please give me a thumbs up. And please drop a comment so I'll give away that free money once I hit that milestone. Please share this on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. And also share this with your friends and family. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped, because I make videos like this on a daily basis. Now, I'm finished with this video. But you don't have to leave yet. You can watch one of my recommended videos right there, right now, that'll help you learn about more ways to make money online or with apps. All right, that's it. I'm finished. I'm done. I'm out of here. So get your grind on, because the grind is real. Oh, great. I see you guys still here. You can watch this video over here or that video over there right now. Get your grind on. Peace.